How to fix ChatGPT not working, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT not working. First open your browser. Now once you're here, click these 3 points, go to history and then click clear browsing data, and that's it. Now just clear this one here, just select time range like 7 days, and then select all of those and clear data. After that, if that doesn't fix your problem, just try to connect to another Wi-Fi or another connection or mobile data or something like that, and try again. And if that doesn't fix it, just change your browser and try again with your new Wi-Fi. That's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.